Hey guys, Tony here. I do want to give a quick update on RIOT. I know a lot of you guys had puts on it. I actually bought a call. I bought one call, like a very long dated call that expires in what's the 8th September, so late September. And I will be holding this as RIOT actually just broke bullish on the weekly chart. If we do close bullish on the weekly, actually, you know what? I think RIOT's already been closed bullish on the weekly for a couple of, like, 2 or 3 weeks now. So I do think RIOT is actually headed all the way back up. I think the next stop for RIOT is going to be $40. That's the next level of support resistance. It's going to be around this area. I do think it's going to break it, and I do think we're well underway, headed towards like 48, $50. And I will be holding my call, for a while now. I think I bought it like a month or so ago. Because I did think that it was going to break that weekly chart. It did. And it's basically just running now, along with Elon's tweet of, him saying basically that they're looking into, my apologies. I did say that they were already accepting Bitcoin as payment for Teslas. It wasn't actually that they're accepting it. They're looking into accepting Bitcoin again once once their power savings are a little bit on the, I think, like 50%. So we'll see. Not really sure what's gonna happen, but so far crypto was running. I think I'm still bearish on crypto, to be honest. I want to see how this week plays out. I want to see how big the run is. I want to see how big the full overall crypto run is. The thing is though, this might actually come back into my thesis of Bitcoin going a little bit lower and altcoins running, because I put out a video of why I think alt season hasn't really started yet, and there might be a chance, if crypto runs, that alt season might actually push really, 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 really hard to the upside. So I think as of now, I don't think I'm going to put any more money into my Coinbase portfolio or any other crypto. I think I'm just kind of holding and gonna wait for something else to happen. I want to see how the week plays out, and then I'll react after this week closes. So I'll see you guys later.